Hello? Look who came back. Well, if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Either way, you're welcome. As you already know, if you're not new, my name is Crystal Salamamuji, and yes, I am your resident skincare tutorial person. So today, what are we doing? Today, I'm your resident skincare enthusiast. So today, what are we doing? We're shooting a skincare tutorial. Basically, as you can see, I have my makeup on. I've had a long day. How do I take care of my skin? But before I do that, I just want to give you a few facts about my skin and just a few facts in general. So, as I mentioned in my introductory video, I think I did mention I'm 26 years old. And what does that mean for my skin? Basically, I read that when you hit the age of 25, your collagen levels reduce. Basically, your skin doesn't produce as much collagen, or your body doesn't produce as much collagen. If you're wondering what collagen is, it's the connective tissue under your skin that gives your skin that supple feeling, that supple, bouncy feeling. Basically, when people say, oh, I want skin like, sorry, I have a cold, so I'm sounding funny. Basically, when people say, oh, I want skin like a baby's bum, what's going on in the baby's bum is that, well, basically they have enough collagen, or their collagen levels are very high up. And science has proven that after 25 years, your skin does not produce as much collagen as it used to produce when you were a baby, or when you were a toddler or a teen. Yeah. So you may realize that maybe when you were in your teens, you'd probably have a pimple on your skin, and then you pop it, and within a number of days it's gone. Your skin cycle has completed itself, and you have fresh new skin. But you realize that it's not so when you're growing older, and that's why I had to mention my age. For example, I decided to start taking care of my skin because I noticed that as well. At first, growing up, I had absolutely flawless skin. Like I hardly get breakouts. I have never had an acne problem or anything. But if I ever had the odd pimple or so, within a number of days, I pop it, and within a couple of days, it's gone. It doesn't leave any scars or any marks or anything. But then, growing older, I realized that okay, you pop a pimple and it's staring you in the face. The scar is staring you in the face for I don't know how many weeks now. Once I take off my makeup, you even notice one that it shouldn't be there, but it's there. So things like that. So age is very important. Once you hit 25, your body doesn't produce as much collagen. So what I decided to do is go for this. I'm almost done. It's almost done because I've been abusing it. It's really delicious. So I have these gummies from Nature's Bounty. It's basically their hair, skin, and nails gummies with biotin and collagen. So they're basically skin and hair nutrients. So you can look at it. So yeah, I really like these gummies because they're delicious, first of all, and I like the fact that they have biotin and collagen, both stuff that are really, really good for the skin. So I decided to help my skin. I'll help my body a bit in giving it a boost in producing more collagen, and I'll see that definitely I am seeing results. As you can see, I'm almost done with this. So yeah, I can say that I am seeing results. I definitely feel like my skin is more supple and bouncier. Probably going back to how my skin felt when I was, in my teen years. So yeah, that's definitely something that I would recommend for you if you're, 25 and older and you feel like your collagen levels are dropping. You feel it because your skin is beginning to. It's not once you touch it, it's not giving you that bouncy. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe just think of a baby's bottom. Compare your skin to a baby's bottom. Are you getting that baby bottom feeling? If not, you probably need to boost your collagen levels and try some gummies. So as I said earlier, yeah, that's that. I think in my introductory video I mentioned that I got addicted to makeup for some time. So I did Miss Ghana where I'll basically wear makeup to the gym, makeup to go and buy house cocoa. I say this all the time because I actually did it. Like I would wake up in the morning, I was like, oh, today I want to have house cocoa in Oakwood, and I would take a shower, go and wear makeup, not just foundation and powder, proper, from eyeliner and everything, mascara, lipstick, the whole 9 yards, just to go and buy cocoa and house of cocoa and Woodford. I think that's insane. Thinking about it now, I think that was really insane. But then I guess that's what being in a pageant does to you. It messes messes up with your psyche in some ways with regards to beauty standards and how confident you feel in your skin. So that's basically it. So I did get addicted to makeup, and then after some time I decided now I just want to take good care of my skin, because what's the point? You're putting on a lot of makeup, your skin is not breathing, you're getting breakouts, you're getting all these spots, the sun is worsening it, you're getting hyperpigmentation, you're just damaging your skin. By the time you're 30, by the time you're 40 or 50, you really don't want to look at yourself in the mirror. So I just thought about it. I was like, you know what? It's better for me to take care of my skin. If I'm going to spend, I don't know, 500 cedis or 1,000 cedis in makeup products, I should divert that to skincare. And that makes more sense. So now, throughout the week, I hardly ever wear makeup. Unless I must, or unless I feel like I want to, I hardly wear makeup. I usually wear makeup on just Sundays for church, and that's basically it. So that's something you should know. So with my skin, as I said, I took the decision to take good care of my skin about this time last year. So I traveled, and then I went to a Kiehl's shop because I heard so much about Kiehl's. I did my research. I started doing my research. I heard so much about Kiehl's. So I went to the Kiehl's shop and in the mall in Dubai. I think it was Dubai Mall. And they basically did a consultation for me. So they tested my skin, and I found out that I've always known I had an oily T. So basically I have combination skin. So normal to oily. So normal on the sides and then oily in the middle. So they did the test, and then yes, confirmed that I have really oily skin here and then normal skin. But another thing that surprised me was that I had dehydrated skin. So basically I wasn't drinking enough water, or skin is not just skincare or taking care of your skin or taking care of yourself. It's not just what you put on the surface of your body or what you put on your face. It's also what's happening on the inside. So basically I wasn't taking enough fruits with high water levels or high water content. I wasn't drinking enough tea or water basically. So my skin was dehydrated, and they suggested a couple of things for me. It's been a year already, so I've mixed up and switched things up a bit. So I said I wanted to deal with hyperpigmentation, and basically what they suggested for me was this Kiehl's Clearly Corrected Dark Spot Solution. But it wasn't just this. They suggested this. They basically have the toner, they have the face cream, they have the face wash. So I got this with the face wash, and then I got a Pixi Glow Tonic toner because I'd heard so much about it. When I was doing my research, I heard so much about it. I decided to try it. So if you haven't heard about the Pixi Glow Tonic, maybe I'll put a picture up so you can see what it looks like and maybe try it. So I will talk about that when I get to toners. So yeah, that's basically it for the introduction. And some fun facts. If you think I'm about to go through what I do for my skin, and before I even do this, I just wanted to let you know that if you think it's a waste of time taking care of your skin, think again. Think again. You're taking care of you. You want to take care of yourself from top to bottom, not forgetting how you look. Think about it. Your face is the first thing that people see when they see you. It tells people who you are, basically. Imagine meeting someone. Yeah, you may have makeup on, but you still have the bumps, you still have the uneven texture and everything. People can see through that. And for me, I think there are a number of reasons why you should take care of your skin. First of all, have you seen what the sun is doing to us lately in this Ghana? The sun is really hot. It's bringing, the sun is really hot, and from it being hot, you're getting hyperpigmentation. Basically, if you don't know what hyperpigmentation is, when you have those scabs and scars from pimples, and then it just stays on your face and it gets darker and darker and darker. The sun worsens that, and there are ways to treat that. Don't think that if you are stuck to that. Basically, once you have those spots on your face, there's really nothing you can do. You can do something. You can fix it. Another thing, pollution. There's so much pollution in the air from exhaust, car exhaust and fumes and all these pathogens and chemicals and all sorts of things in the air. You really just want to take care of your skin and live a healthier life. And why should you take care of your skin? Another reason why I think you should take care of your skin is to prevent aging. Aging is beautiful, we'll all grow old, but you want to age beautifully. I always see photos or videos of women who are older, maybe in their 50s and their 60s, and they have great time. I'm like, wow, I want to be like her when I grow up. When I'm in my 60s or my 50s, I want to look like, okay, I'm maybe in my 30s or 40s or something. Just take care of your skin. And if you have the opportunity to, if you're in your 20s now, sorry, I said I have a cold, so Forgive me if I'm sniffling a bit. But if you're in your 20s now, I think now's the best time to take care of your skin. Don't wait till you're 40 and then you start buying anti-aging products or you start getting facelifts and all that stuff. Take care of your skin now. And one major reason why I decided to take care of my skin was to be able to wear less makeup. I think I mentioned earlier that now I hardly wear makeup during the week. If I wear makeup, it's on Sundays, and even with that, I can do away with, very little foundation and just some powder, and people are telling you, oh, you look amazing, you look amazing. I'm wondering, is it just the 1 or 2 pumps of foundation that I use that everyone is complimenting? So yeah, if you just want to go about and be confident and be happy with your skin, just take good care of your skin.